Hi, my name is Noah. I'm a rising junior at Brooklyn Technical High School, and this is my first milestone for my robotic arm. Basically what it is a servo that's controlled by a potentiometer. Just like that. So the potentiometer is a variable resistor, which means that I can control the voltage difference between the part of the circuit that's right after the potentiometer and the end of the circuit, or ground. And so I take this, the potentiometer reports a value on a scale of 0 to 1023, 0 being no voltage and 10,023 being maximum voltage. So what I do with this new value, I map it onto a 0 to 180 scale, and I feed it to the servo, and it basically controls the position of where the servo is. And so the servo has a 180 degree range, so that makes sense. Basically, I built this by starting with the potentiometer circuit. I wrote the code and I set it up, and I first read the values, and then I introduced the servo. So I added the circuit and I wrote the code. A problem I had during this was when I first set up the potentiometer. Like the values increased at an exponential rate, because that's just how the equation works. Like when you change the voltage or change the resistance, if there's another resistor in, it does not change at a linear rate. So I needed to change the range for the potentiometer, and I needed to change the resistance after, so it changed at a more linear rate. So I learned a lot from doing this. I learned how Arduinos worked, I learned how breadboards work, I learned how to read values for a potentiometer, and I learned about servos. So now my next step is to just make 3 more potentiometers and 3 more servos, and then build a mechanical part for the robotic arm, and then attach them. Thanks.